I do not like. In the first, Carolina's down 2-1. I like how we played so far, but we gotta score twice to get the lead, or else we're not winning this game. So we have to score and get up 3-2, especially 4-2. You know, yeah. We'll see what happens. And the first 2-1 Caps lead. I'm really scared, guys. We'll see what happens. 2-1 lead, Caps. 2-1 lead for the Caps. Capitals. Let's hope we can have a better second period, get the lead, or just tie. You know, get it 2-2 in the second, get the freaking lead in the third. I don't know. We just need to win this game. Yeah, I'll see y'all after the second period.